He knows we're looking at him.
We're just gonna hang out here for a minute. This is a behavior I haven't seen before, and I absolutely love it.
Yeah, that's what's great about it. You never know what you're gonna see. Not always do you get to see them in the water.
Right, right. He's like, this is my ball.
I will say the toy helps that.
Really?
That water.
You put it in there, or you keep pushing it?
No, they put it in there. Put the toys in the water. Sometimes they build a tower, which will entice them to knock you down.
That's awesome.
Why don't you leave?
And I don't know, people that have like rides to ride. Not me.
Yeah, you enjoy it. That's what you know. Some people are here for animals, others are just here for the guys.
Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like Tiger TV here. And what's his name?
His name is Conrad.
Conway?
Conrad.
Conrad.
Yeah.
And Conrad, Bakso, and I can't remember.
Sony.
Sony.
Yeah.
S-O-H.
It's